Hello, welcome to another episode of Quick Maths, and today we're going to be adding 3 or more numbers together. So we're going to start off doing 2-digit numbers, and I'm going to put 3 numbers out to start off with. So let's go for 22 plus 14 plus 24. So we start off exactly the same as our last videos. We start off in our units column. So we start off with 2 plus 4 plus 4. So personally, I'd start here on the 4, the larger number. So I'd go for 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I put my 0 down here and carry the 1. In my tens column, I would add the 2 and the 2 together to get 4. Add the 1 would be 5. Add the other 1 would be 6. The total there would be 60. Okay, using exactly the same frame, we can then pick another 3 numbers to add together. And let's see how we get on with this. Okay. So we'll start again with our units column. I'll start with the 5 because it's the bigger number. So 5, add the 4, so that would be 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it'll be a 0 in the units column and carry a 1 to the tens column. I would add then the 9 and the 5. 9, 10, it'll be 14. 15, 16, which is adding the 2. 17, not forgetting this one down here. Now, I have to carry that one down there into the hundredths column. So I'm going to write a little h up here to show that we're using the hundredths column, and I will write a 1 in there. So 54 plus 91 plus 25 is 170. Okay, still using the same frame. Let's go for 19 plus 71 plus 10. So again, we start in our units column. 9 plus 1 plus 0. So it's 9 plus 1 is 10. So we put the 0 in the units and carry the 1. Then we move over to our tens column. We start with 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then add this one on, which will give us 10. Cross it off so we know we've used it. I'll put the 0 in there and carry the 1. As there's nothing else to add in the hundredths column, I'll put the 1 in there, cross it off, and 19 plus 71 plus 10 equals 100. Okay, on this these last 2 that we're going to do together, I'm going to add in a triple digit number, so a number that is over 100. I'm going to put in 241, 42, and 18. So again, we'll start in the units column. 1, 2, and 8. So I'm going to start with 8 with the biggest number. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So I put 1 in the units column and carry the 1. Go to the tens column. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Plus this 1 down here, cross it off because we've used it, is 10. So put a 0 there and carry the 1. Now, the same as the last sum, we've got a 1 in the 100s, but this time we've got a 2 up here as well. So all we do is add the 2 and the 1 together, which will give us 3. Cross that off so that we know that we've used it, and the answer is 301. Okay, now we're going to add in 3 3-digit numbers and see how we get on. So I'm going to add 214, 161, and 312. As before, we'll start in the units column. Give you a chance to add this up at home. So it'd be 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'll write 7 in my units column. I'll move to the tens column. I will start for the 6 as the biggest number. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. I'll write an 8 in the tens column. Then move to the hundreds column, where I've got 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 687 total.